winter weather message for the following counties in Iowa, Lyon and Sioux. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles an hour. Where? Lyon and Sioux counties. When? From 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning and evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.